In this video, I'm going to show you how to get electronic parts in Once Human. This is actually very simple as long as you have good enough weapons and you are enough big of a level. So for this, I recommend level 28 or 30, however, it's obtainable without having that high of a level. What you want to do is go to this place over here in the Iron River region. There's where you can find the most of it, okay? So I like this part the most, this one over here, just next to this Realm of Nightmares, okay? So a Mirage Monolith. Monolith, I meant, and where this city called Mirage Monolith Danger Zone is. And there, by killing different soldiers and just simply gathering stuff, opening crates, you'll find a bunch of things which will give you a lot of electronic parts. Now you can also go to this zone over here, to this one, and all the nearby towns inside Iron River. It doesn't really matter, but that's by far the best kind of way and best place to get it. And then once you're done, you simply want to come home to this assembly bench, and if I click select all over here, as you can see, I've just collected a whole bunch of electronic parts over there. Now we can take a look where you can get the most. As you can see, smartphones will give you some, and if I click through this, you get some from microwaves, and let's go on and see. Yes, there we go. Cash registers will give you some, and you also have different electronics, such as over here you have smart stereo, that'll give you as well some, and you will also get it from different kind of printers and stuff like that. So yes, as you can see, you can get quite a lot from computers as well over here. And I also got a harpoon. It's, as you can see, a rare material, and I got 4 out of this alone. And yeah, pretty much all the things that are electronic devices, they will give you electronic parts. So good luck with collecting that, good luck in the Iron River region, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.